Hey guys, so some of you have been asking me on the channel, how can you withdraw from Picoworkers? And a lot of you have concerns that Picoworkers is not a legit platform, but we have tested this and we can confirm that it's a very legit platform. So this is Lewis's account. Most of you might already know him. He has gone on to make up to about $250 or $300 on Picoworkers. And that's why I'm using his platform to show you this. So I'm going to click on the hamburger icon there and go to wallet. So as you can see, he made a withdrawal a month ago of about $113, and this withdrawal was made to ATM, and I'll tell you guys why we used ATM. Okay, and so he also has earned another $121 and still has about $6 spending. So altogether that should be around $130 or $40. Okay, so if you want to make a withdrawal and you have up to at least $10, I think $10 is the threshold for payout on Picoworkers, you want to click on request a withdrawal, and then on the next page that loads up, you're going to see a bunch of options for you to select. They have about 5 payout options here. They have ATM, they have Litecoin, they have PayPal, they have Skrill, and they have Uphold. And to be honest, it's pretty straightforward for you to use any one of these platforms. But the only problem is it's very easy to have your PayPal option permanently removed, because they try to verify your PayPal one time, and if it doesn't work for some reason, you are not able to add PayPal anymore. So as you can see here on Lewis's account, it says PayPal denied. So we've been trying to get the option to withdraw to PayPal, and that has not been possible, sadly. Okay, so that's the reason why we opted to use the option of ATM. And you also have the option of Skrill, and you have the option of Litecoin and Uphold. So Litecoin and Uphold are cryptocurrency based if you want to withdraw your money in cryptocurrency, but you can withdraw in US dollars through PayPal. That's if you're able to fix that the first time that you try. And you can also withdraw in dollars through ATM and Skrill. Right now, Lewis does not have a Skrill account. We're trying to work on that, but there's a lot of issues right now with Skrill, and I'm going to bring that video to you guys once we're able to crack the code. And then the only option we have is ATM, and it's quite easy. I'm not going to withdraw any of Lewis's money because, to be honest, I don't have his permission to do this. But like I told you guys, we already tested this out. I'm going to work on a video on how to create an ATM account and what ATM really is and how it works. But it's really simple for you to create an account. You just go to ATM and create an account. You can do that really quickly. And if you select ATM, you can see now, if I go over to the right, I can select the amount I want to withdraw and click on send token. A token will be sent to my ATM account for me to verify that I'm actually trying to make this withdrawal. And once that happens, I can click on submit request and the money will be sent to my account. And then withdrawals are processed within 10 business days. But actually, when we did this, it took about a couple of hours, to be honest, and we got the money in our ATM account. Okay, so if you live in Nigeria, you know that PayPal is already a very difficult option. Skrill as well is quite difficult to create. I've not used Litecoin personally, but I think it's easy for you to create that. Uphold, I've never used this at all. So your only option, or your easiest option rather, might be ATM. It's very easy to create. So yeah, that is how you make a withdrawal out of your Picoworkers account. And to answer your question one last time, yes, it is a very legit platform. You can see we've made a withdrawal of about over $100. We still have about $121 here and counting. Okay, so that's it about withdrawing from Picoworkers. Thank you for watching this video, and consider watching the next one, and I will see you guys later. Take care. But Louis, I don't tire. I don't tire, man. Now you go speak English tire.